Hey everybody, it's Jeremy Parker at McDonald Buick GMC Cadillac. We are your GMC Giant, and it's time for another Car Tip Tuesday. Now today's tip is one that I've done in the past, but it was before I was doing the videos, so I thought it'd be a pretty neat idea to incorporate this one into a video. And basically the tip is, if you were in an unfamiliar city, or you didn't have a GPS or some sort of navigational tool, and you're driving along and you see, well, I gotta take exit 1B or 1A, but you're not sure what side that exit's going to be on. Well, if you look behind me, you can see in the top right-hand corner that that's your exit. So whatever side that little square is going to be on will be the side of your exit. So if it's on the left-hand side, you know your exit's coming up to the left. If it's on the right-hand side, well, then you know your exit's going to be on the right. So as you're driving, you see the spot where you want to go, you'll see the exit. Just look up, you'll see it either on the left-hand side or the right-hand side, and you'll know what appropriate lane to get into so you don't miss your exit. Hopefully you find the tip informative. Again, thank you so much for watching, and until next week, speed safe.